Seed to Plant by Kristen Bayard-Ratini. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. White water lily, fern, tangerine tree, orchid. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers. Others also grow fruit. Trees are plants too. Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. Other plants are cozy homes for animals. A farmer in his cotton field, a bear in a tree. Oh, and then here is a joke. What is a tree like a big dog? Or how is a tree like a big dog? They both have a lot of bark. Parts of a plant. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. Feet are like roots, your body's like a stem, and arms are like leaves. Roots hold the plant in the ground. The stem helps the plant stand up tall, and leaves soak up the sunlight. Roots, stem, leaves. How does a plant begin? Number 1, let's dig in. Most plants start as a seed. 2, the seed splits open. A shoot pushes out. This is called germination. 3, a new plant is beginning. Buzzwords. Germination, the sprouting of a new plant from a seed. A seedling is a young plant. A seedling starts to grow. Roots reach down into the soil, and a stem pushes up into the air. Roots, stem, leaves. A plant grows. Watering a garden helps it grow. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger. More leaves and branches grow. Buzzword. Soil, the top layer of earth, which plants grow in. What do plants need? Plants need these things in order to grow. Soil, water, food, sunlight, air, space. Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. All right, so here's a diagram. So here are the roots, and that's where they get their water and food. They're in soil, okay, and then sunlight and air comes in. Here's another joke. Why or how does a flower ride a bike? With its petals. 6 fun plant facts. Number 1. This palm tree seed can weigh as much as a 4th grader. It's the heaviest seed in the world. Look at how big it is. Number 2. Scrub a dub in the tub. Plants are used in many soaps and shampoos. 3. The paper for this book was made from trees. 4. One sunflower can make as many 1,000 seeds. Number 5. Bamboo grows the fastest of any plant. It can grow as tall as a 3-year-old kid in one day. 6. The tallest living tree is taller than the Statue of Liberty in New York, USA. Flowers bloom. Many plants grow flowers. They jump as a bump, or they start out as a bump called a bud. The bud slowly opens. Petals gently unfold. Surprise, it's a flower. What did the one flower say to another? Hi, bud. Sticky pollen. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. Pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from flower to flower. Then the pollen rubs off on other flowers. This is called pollination. It helps flowers make seeds. buzzword, pollination. The moving of pollen from one flower to another. This makes seeds grow. We talked about that during apples. Seeds. Plants keep seeds in different places. Many plants grow a case around the seeds. The case is called a pod. Peas and maple tree seeds grow in pods. So here are seeds in a pea pod. Here are seeds in a maple tree pod. Orange seeds are different. Their seeds are on the inside, but strawberry seeds are on the outside. What does a plant say when it doesn't want company? Leave me alone. Now the seeds take a trip. Some float on the wind. Others are carried away by animals. The seeds fall to the ground, and soon they sprout or germinate. A new plant begins. So here are the different ways that they move around. A bird carries a bead with seeds inside. Carries a berry with seeds inside. A squirrel holds a large seed. And then dandelion seeds scatter in the wind. Pass the plants, please. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? A panda eats bamboo plant. Watermelon is a fruit that comes from a plant. Make your own garden grow. You can grow your own bean plant. Ask a grown-up for help. Okay, and so you can actually use the sunflower seeds. We're going to talk about this later, but these are the steps that you would use. All right, 1, soak your seed in a cup of water overnight. Fill the flower pot with soil. Push your seeds down to the soil about 1 inch. Add a little water to moisten the soil, and then place the pot in a warm, sunny spot. Add a little water whenever the soil gets dry. Your seedling should sprout within 1 week. What in the world? These pictures show close-up views of things in this book. Use hints below to figure out what's in the picture. All right, so hint, it opens into a flower. Remember what that is? It's a bud. Hint, this part of a plant takes in sunlight and air. Does that look familiar? It's a leaf. Hint, this flower can make up to 1,000 seeds. We know what that is. That's a sunflower. Hint, this falls and waters the plants. Rain. And then hint, this buzzes as it flies from flower to flower. Yep, it's a bee. Hint, this seed has seeds on the outside. That's a strawberry. All right, and then here's our last glossary part. Germination, the sprouting of a new plant from a seed. Pollination, the moving of pollen from one flower to another. This makes seeds grow. Seedling, a young plant. Soil, the top layer of earth which plants grow in. And that's it.